So welcome to the channel, everyone. Triple M here. Of course, today we're taking a look at a pretty decent set of headphones. These are the Mu6 and these are the Space 2, so second generation headphones. And this is not a budget headphone. These are $200, and I'll put links in the description of this video. But this headphone has a couple cool features, and let's go over some of the specifications, and then we're going to get it out of the box. And of course, we're going to bring Melody in to test the headphones. She got this special built-in microphones in her ear so we can hear the quality of it, and we'll just give it an all-around, guys. We'll see what it's like, see if it's worth the $200. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So if you're new to the channel, I do everything tech, from your streaming reviews, streaming news, product reviews, unboxings, and everything in between. Hit that subscribe button in the top right, smash the notification bell. Make sure you select all on notification. That way you won't miss a video or a giveaway. So as far as the features and specifications, like I said, these are the Mu6, and I like what they did with the name there. Spin on words, Mu6, Mu6, Space 2 headphones. Does have built-in ANC active noise cancellation, providing outstanding noise cancellation up to 40 decibel and bass response up to 94 decibels. These are tuned out of the factory to have everything amplified and give you the best sound. As far as the sound quality, it does have Yamaha DSP chips and 40mm low distortion dynamic driver. It also has ATPX LL codec and Bluetooth 5.0. As far as the suction cups, we're gonna get into that in a little bit, but cool thing about these headphones that it actually does have 3D touch. So one side is actually gonna be all touch, so you can essentially swipe, play pause, and do some different things there. And we're gonna test it out as well. Bluetooth driver, Bluetooth 5.0. Codec is APX, APX LL, SBC, AAC, and the Bluetooth range for this is 30 feet or about 10 meters, which is pretty standard with Bluetooth 5.0. So as far as the charge time, we're looking at 4 hours to charge. Runtime on that, depending if you have ANC on or off. With it on, you're going to get 20 hours runtime, and off, you're going to get 24 hours. By the way, this is USB-C, and the microphone inside is CVC 6.0, which I'm going to test and see what kind of call quality you guys should be expecting from the built-in microphones. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. So within the box, you can see it has the protective case. Let's go ahead and get that out. Let's go ahead and get it zipped open. These are foldable, by the way, guys. So right out the box is telling you this is your left, this is your right. What else do we have? So 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter. So if you want to plug it in with a wire, you do have that option. We also have a charging USB. Like I said, this is USB-C, USB-A on this end. And I don't think there's nothing else in here. So just the headphones, and this is just Velcro separation. So start with this. This is a decent carrying case. It's not super tough, but it feels pretty good. Will protect your headphones if you don't put too much weight on it. So it's nice to have a carrying case. That's decent quality, not great. So here's the headphone itself. And one thing I didn't mention is that there is an app for this, and we're gonna go ahead and download that just to see what the deal is with the application. So let's take a look around the headphones. So first thing I noticed on the outer edges of the headphones, we have two microphones right here. One up top right here. And this is for the active noise cancellation. So that's how that is utilized, just to block out that outside noise. Remember that this does have the 3D touch. So this side doesn't have anything on it, but all the touch functions are right here. So basically, if you swipe to the left, it's gonna go to the last track. Swipe to the right, it's gonna go to the next track. So if you just tap right here, it's gonna play pause or accept a phone call if you have an incoming. It does also have a smart touch and talk mode, which basically all you need to do is do a long press with your palm. So all you need to do is do this, and we're gonna test all this out when we put it on Melody over there. So to turn the volume up, swipe up, turn the volume down, swipe down. Pretty self-explanatory. So underneath, microphone, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. We have our charging port. We have two buttons right here. This is going to be your power button on and off. It does have an LED right there. And this is going to be your active noise cancellation button. So on the active noise cancellation, you have three basic modes, guys. Turn it on, turn it off, and you also have a transparency mode, which basically disables the ANC. That way, if you want to quickly hear what's going on, if you want to hear traffic noise or whatever, hear an announcement in the airport, you can quickly press it and then you can hear it without interrupting. So up top, of course, this is adjustable, both sides. And it also is decently padded up top, so it should be pretty comfortable. Now inside, we do have some magic here, guys. So if you notice, right here there's a sensor, and what that does is basically whenever you take your headphone off, everything will stop. So the music will stop playing, put it back on, the music will start. So nice addition. You don't have to fumble with buttons, you don't have to go to your device. Just simply take it off your head, put it back on, and you're good to go. And besides that, like I said, it does fold up, right? So you do get a pretty small profile, and it's a good looking set of headphones. So plastic for the most part, but still feels decent, soft, and can't wait to see how it sounds. So let's go ahead and get Melody in here. So I've been playing with this. I wore them. Feels really comfortable, but most impressed with the noise cancellation on this. This is ridiculous. It makes you actually feel like you're in a sound booth where there's no bouncing off the wall. So it's a pretty quiet headphone. So if you're looking for something that where you can actually be on the airplane and not hear, get some sleep or whatever the case is, this is the perfect headphone. But I'm gonna get Melody all powered up, see if I can convey some of that to you. Just, it's always hard to transfer audio and that experience over the video and the recording, but I'm gonna give it a shot. So let's go ahead and get her powered up.
Bluetooth connected.
All right, so Bluetooth is connected. And let's play with the active noise canceling. I'm gonna turn off my main lapel microphone. I'm just gonna let the headphone pick up everything. Let's go ahead and we're gonna go to the different modes.
Transparency.
So transparency is gonna let the sound in, guys. This is what you press when you want to hear the announcement, you want to hear traffic, you want to hear what's going on around you. So you should be able to get most of my voice through the headphones.
Noise cancelling off.
So this one is just everything is completely off. So the microphones aren't doing anything. Everything just essentially turned off.
Noise cancelling.
All right, so this is a noise canceling, and just listen on my monitor headset. I can hear that it's a lot quieter, guys.
Transparency.
So this is with transparency, and like I said, you can hear more of my voice. It's using the microphones to actually amplify everything. That way you can hear what's going on around you. All right, so now I have my lapel back on. Let's go through some of the features and the modes in this thing. So first thing I want to do, I'm just going to go ahead and just pull up one of my test videos that I have on my Plex. So that's all going through the headphones. Let me go ahead and turn it up here. User manual is going to tell you everything you need to know about the device. So this is going to be your shutter control for your time lapse. So we got it about halfway. Let's go ahead and play with the different modes within here.
Actual controller.
So right now everything should be off.
Right, so this is going to be where your Cat 7 plug-in.
Noise cancelling.
Power and your power. So the LCD is going to be right here, and you're going to go through, and this is where you're going to set your end and your start point, as well as your time lapse and some other.
Transparency.
Clicks in, moves up, down, left, and right as well. So we have the actual motor. This is going to be pretty easy to install. 2 screws.
Noise cancelling off.
Go around. You can see the notches right there. Go around.
And we'll go back to the noise canceling
on.
on.
Actually plug in the Cat 7.
Noise cancelling.
Thing that we're going to have is our actual.
And you just get an immersive sound when they actually have the noise canceling
so in that
on.
little pouch up top, they have those. Then you're going to go ahead and secure the.
Alright, so let's play with some of the different modes. So swipe up should give you your volume up.
And these 2 screws on this.
Alright, so you can see that's actually being changed right there. So pretty cool. Alright, so the swipe works there.
Welcome back, everyone.
And you can see that actually brought it back to the previous track. We'll test it out more when we get to the actual music. So the play and pause, you just kind of tap your finger right there in the middle. And of course, one of the main features of this was to actually just pull the headphones off, and it should go ahead and stop the playback.
So in that little pouch up top, they have
Pull it off again. The video actually muted by itself. And if we put it back on, and the video started playing. So the sensor in there is actually doing its job, which is pretty cool. So standing it up, if I put it on there, you can see it started, and it kind of paused by itself. Here's the smart talk mode. Just do a long press. Take it back off. You can see it lowered the volume for me. And you can see it kind of lowered again. Back up. And that's basically it for the modes. Let's go ahead and check out the music. Switch through the different modes.
Transparency. Noise cancelling off. Noise cancelling.
So right there, I can tell you guys one thing. When you're in noise canceling mode, you're gonna get better bass, deeper, richer sound in my opinion, and everything around you is extremely quiet. Let's skip ahead. Skip back. So that works as it should. Let's turn it all the way up. And now it's maxed out. And testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. So this is the quality of the voice quality you should be expecting if you guys plan to use this on a phone call. So this is directly being recorded from the Mu6 Space 2. Let me know what you guys think of the quality. Is this something you can live with? Alright, so of course the app is the Mu6 Connect, and you can find that in Google Play as well as Android. Go ahead and get connected, and you can see you have some additional features there. So you have the ANC controls where you can put it to strong or you put it to normal. You also have the auto power off, so if disabled, the headset will not automatically power off until the battery is exhausted. So definitely want to go ahead and turn that auto powering off. You do have the autoplay pause, and that's the proximity sensor control basically. So if that's turned off, guys, when you take it off your head, it won't automatically stop playing. Now below that, you do have language, and you do have the option of resets. You don't have the equalizer controls like I would have expected, but it does have a couple options there that I can see useful. So definitely one of the downside for this headphone is the fact that there's no controls for the equalizer. I know that this headphone is tuned to be perfect. However, some people may like their audio one way while another set of people may like it another way. And that's where I think they should at least give the option for you to be able to control the bass, the treble, and everything else in between. But besides that, these headphones are remarkable, guys. Super loud, super clean sound, fits real comfortable, and love the 3D touch control, love all the features. Noise cancellation is probably the best I've seen in a pair of headphones No kidding, and I've reviewed a couple on this channel. Love the added proximity sensor right here, which actually mutes the music. Love the 3D touch. Everything there worked properly and everything was good to go. Super comfortable with headphones, and it definitely is worth the money in my opinion. So like I said, I'll leave a couple links in the description where you can go ahead and pick them up. They're $1.99 I believe, but if any coupon codes are available, I'll go ahead and link those as well. If you guys have any questions about this, drop it in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video, share this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.